Hello everyone, welcome to Mrs. Lin's Kitchen. Last time I showed you how to use fresh tuna to make tuna poke, and today I'm going to show you how to make tuna tataki using sashimi grade tuna. What is tuna tataki? It is pan-seared sashimi grade tuna served with tataki sauce. This Japanese recipe is easy and quick to prepare and makes a delicious appetizer. Here is the ingredients overview. You can get sashimi grade tuna from Japanese grocery stores like Nijiya, Mitsuwa, and Marukai. The tuna I use in this video is IQF tuna I order online. In this recipe, I coated the tuna with white roasted sesame seeds, but you can also use black sesame seeds or the combination of the two. Now, let's prepare the ingredients. First, coat tuna with roasted sesame seeds on all sides. Try your best to fill in all the empty spots and make sure tuna is fully coated. Next, grate the ginger. You will need 1 teaspoon of grated ginger for half pound of tuna. Next, slice the red onion or shallot as thin as possible. To make the tataki sauce, in a clean bowl, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and 1 teaspoon of thinly sliced red onion. Then mix everything together. Let's sear the tuna now. In the frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, turn the heat to medium-high and put the tuna in. Sear each side between 10 to 30 seconds and make sure the sides are 1/8 inch seared. Sear only the 4 sides with long surface and leave out the front and back. When all sides are seared, take the tuna out and wait until cool. Next, cut tuna perpendicular to the side that's not seared, about 1/4 inch thick in each piece. To serve, drizzle tataki sauce on the seared tuna and make sure you eat it when it's freshly made. You can serve tuna tataki as an appetizer or eat it with rice or salad. I hope you liked today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave me a comment below, and make sure to turn on the notification bell. Happy eating, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.